In this video I am going to tell you how you can use your smart TV to mirror it to your simply phone, and you can simply need to open content store. I am in LG TV and you can have any other TV. So you need to install screen mirroring app in your TV, and some TV already have it in by default. So in my LG TV I just need to install mirroring app, and I will search it, and I will find the mirroring app. You can see TV cast mirroring app. You can download any other mirroring app in your any smart TV. Make sure that your TV support this feature. After installing it, you just need to open this application. Now you need to go to your phone, open Play Store, and you can simply search for a mirroring app. Like I am searching here TV cast for LG webOS. So I will install this app and I will simply open this application after installing it, and I will click on simply smart TV mirroring in the application only. So your screen mirroring app may have different option, but screen mirroring is very easy. There are so many applications. You can select your TV device, and I have selected my TV LG webOS. So I have selected my model number. Make sure that both your TV and mobile phone are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. So it is very important. Now you can see my phone is connected. So I hope friends, now you will be able to connect your phone to your TV and enjoy the content on the bigger screen. If you face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.